Alright, it's nomadicMadman. Last week we installed a Quadra-Fire wood pellet stove here at my apartment. I just turned it on for the first time, waiting for the first flame. So we'll see what happens. Alright, this is the first time it ignited. Well, it hasn't ignited yet, but there's sparks. You see smoke. It's making a sound. I guess it's the sound of fire. There's a reset button for the wood pellets, so I'm gonna go push that. It's back here on the back. See if I can get more pellets coming. This reflection is really okay. It's smoking. We installed this stove last week. It's probably just over a foot from this wall. I don't know if that was code or not. Anyways, we'll find out if there's a problem. I wish it was a little bit further because there's an access panel that has to be cleaned on the left side as well as the right side. We'll see if this keeps this room warm this winter. That's the plan. I can smell the smell of wood burning. It's kind of nice. I think it's pinyon pine, no, or juniper. It's juniper. No, it's just some Bear Mountain wood pellets. I bought two different kinds, American Eagle and Bear Mountain. So I'm gonna see which one. I don't know, always see if they're different over time. All right, I'm gonna push that button again. I guess you probably don't have to keep pushing it, but I just want to make sure it's... Looks like a pretty good flame. On this side, there's a hole down here with a red light. That's the feed button. I think that what I read is it means that it's calling for fuel when it's red or lit. Supposed to let it, for the first time, let it run for 30 minutes according to the manual to help cure the paint inside that's on the metal, I think. And that's a nice flame. There's blowers on the flame as well as pushing it into the room. All right, Get the marshmallows. It's making a funny sound, like a locomotive.